Sup, tribe? Hey, got another video for you on the daily what's in your gear kit bag, whatever it is. This one actually doesn't fit in my bag, just by the way, because my head's so big. It's actually my brain. So one of the things I enjoy doing is reading a lot of books. The difference is I actually take what's in those books and put it into implementation. I implement whatever's in that book. If it's a new tip, if it's a new skill, I want to learn more about it. What that has done is increase the knowledge that I carry around in my brain. Very important thing. My wife has said that, she's my wife, so of course she's going to say it, but I'm smarter than the average bear. But by that is I know a lot of stuff, a little bit of stuff about a lot of things, and some of it I know a lot of stuff about that thing. Based on that, that's actually where we look at that being part of my kit. Why? Because if I don't know how to do something, then I can't apply it. I can't carry it. It's not going to do any good for me to have a bag full of crap if I don't know what's in it and I don't know how to use it. So there it is, guys. My brain is my kit for today. Call sign Papa Bear out.